What's up, traders? So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see how we can trade this highly traded precious metal. Now, gold, as I mentioned in my quite a few of my analysis, gold is now forming a reversal pattern in this top. Let's start with higher time frame to see how gold price action is forming. Now, gold, as you can see, that this is the monthly time frame. Now, gold just now primarily rejecting this highly important monthly level of resistance. If you see in the past, this is where the first time gold hit the last price that came in this zone in 2021, 1st of June. Now we see after the big move to the downside, the gold again went to the same area and we see a primarily rejection to the downside. Now this is an overextended market and we could possibly see a down drop in this instrument. So monthly we see possible drop as this is a resistance here. Now we found a resistance and we could see drop to the downside. Let's see on the weekly time frame how gold price action is forming. Now on the weekly we see a clearly visible trend line that has been broken on the weekly time frame. Now still we don't know if this trend line will be holding or no, because more often or no you'll see that there is a lot of false breakout all the time in the market. So if it is a false breakout, we could possibly see a drop, or even if it is a valid breakout of this trend line, we should see a possible retest of this trend line. You see there is one trend line this way. Let's draw both of them. So we should see a test of this both of this trend line. So to test this, we could see gold dropping to the downside along this zone, creating another reversal pattern and then pushing to the upside. This is the healthy trending market structure. So in that sense, gold is likely to drop based on weekly time frame as well. Let's see on the daily time frame. Now daily we see a bit more clear. What we are seeing currently looks like a reversal pattern. It is forming a head and shoulder in this important level of resistance. So how can we find a trading opportunity in that case? Let's jump on to 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour, this is where we will be making our trading decision. What you saw that there is a clearly visible head and shoulder on this 4 hour. This is the right shoulder, this is the left shoulder, and this is head. Now in this head and shoulder there is an important clue to consider, this right side of this head and shoulder pattern, because on the right side what you see that this candle is lower than this one. So that means that when you see a head and shoulder is formed with a right shoulder is lower than the left shoulder, is a sign of strong bearish momentum. With that being said, gold is likely to drop from here and we will be waiting for this 4 hour candle to be closed. As soon as this candle closes, we will see this local trend line to be broken. As you see that there is another trend line on the 4 hour time frame, and we will be waiting for this candle to be closed and this trend line to be broken. As soon as it will satisfy the rules of our strategy, we will take a short from here with a high risk to reward ratio. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button for me, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.